So I think what you would love to talk about first thing.
So let's today talk about the uniform or the dress code which are used in any school or company or anywhere.
Oh, we can talk about uniform. Yes, of course, we can. So the first thing I think we want to talk about this. So I think when we are listening about the uniform, what do you understand about the uniform? What it says according to you?
Hmm. Uniform means a certain dress which is used by a certain company or certain group. Okay, it is called a uniform.
Uniform. So, but
Yeah.
you are in a, I think you are in a job. So just you are habitual to, I think, wear the uniform, right?
Actually, I am not habituate with the uniform, but I feel bound to wear my uniform. Okay,
Okay.
as I am a policeman, so that's why I feel bound to wear my uniform while doing my duty.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking to you because you are just, I think, working person. So, how you are feeling when you have to wear your uniform every single day?
Yeah, sometimes I feel so proud that I got a opportunity to wear the uniform, but sometimes I don't feel so free that I can't go anywhere by wearing the uniform. Okay, I can't do any mistake or I can't do any wrong thing by wearing the uniform, right? Because
Yeah.
everybody will recognize me that look what the policeman is doing. So this kind of difficulties we face while wearing our duty, while wearing our uniform, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, this is really, I think I can say that what the people will say, like, if you will do any mistake, the people will say, let's see him. Like he is a policeman, he is doing this. So what the people they will do, ordinary people. So it is
Yeah,
really
yeah,
bad.
right.
So,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
of course,
But
but
we are
sometimes.
also,
Mhm.
yeah, but the policeman is also a common man, right?
But the people they will not understand this. But the people what they are thinking, they are a kind of only the making the rules because you are just telling to the people what to do and what not to do, right? So that
Yeah,
they will understand only when you will do all the things right, right?
right, right.
So but what about proud, when you are feeling proud and how you are feeling, oh, like I'm a policeman.
Yeah, yeah, of course. Sometimes I feel so proud that now I am a policeman. I have some power. I have some responsibility on my head. Okay, so these are the things that I feel proud. These are the things that makes. These are the things that make me proud, right?
Mhm.
Uh, yeah, and but sometimes as I see that if suppose the staff or the employee they are not wearing any uniform or any dress. Okay, so in this way the people can't recognize them properly, right? So in this way they can't take help from them. For example, if you have gone to a shopping mall, right? But if there are many shopping mall staffs, but they are, but they can't be recognized by the people, okay, because
Mm.
they haven't wear the uniform or any dress code, right? So in this way, we can't recognize them, right? Yeah, so we can't take any help from them because we don't know that who is staff and who is the customer, right? So different, so uniform or the dress code makes different from the public, from the common public or from the crowd, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. We can just find out like who is working and to whom we can say that they can help. So this is really, but what about the meaning of uniformity? Uniformity is also kind of word. Uniform like comes from uniformity. So what do you think uniformity?
I think it means unity.
Uniformity means a kind of, I'm telling you what is that, like a group when uniform like that you are working in police department, so it when you are working that you can feel like you are same like every single person who is working in your department, right? So because there's no difference of rich and poor, right? So
Yeah.
because if the person, if you don't have that much money, maybe the few person they will come with like safari suit and they will come a lot more luxurious, I think, clothes. But another person who I think hasn't that much money, I think
Yeah.
I think that person will come with the normal clothes. So that will make the difference. So that is
Yeah.
called the uniformity. It feels like we are similar to each other if we are working in the same department.
Yeah, yeah, you're right. Because the uniform gives us the feeling of equality, right?
Yes,
Suppose,
that is called, yeah. Yeah.
yeah, suppose we are students and we are studying in a school. Okay, so in this way, what will happen? The rich student, the student or the guys which belong to a very rich family, okay, they will
Mm.
wear the high personality dress. Okay, so what about the poor students? They won't be able to wear the rich clothes, right? So in this way, I think they won't feel so comfortable in the class. So I think that is the only reason that uniform has been made for us, or it has been applied in school, college, or any company, right?
Exactly. Just for feeling to equal. Of course, there's no difference between one of, I think, them. So that
Yeah,
is the thing, I think. And what do you think? What about the students when they are wearing, like, and in few schools they do have two uniforms, three uniforms, and more than three or four. So what do you
yeah.
think? It is a kind of hectic job for the parents as well, and it is really hectic for the kids as well to remember to which day I think they have to wear which dress, yeah, which uniform. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I think in one way it is right. Okay, because if we wear a same dress or a same uniform for every day, then we feel so monotonous. Okay, but suppose sometimes we feel different dresses, then we feel so fresh. Okay, wow. Now we have wear. Now we have wore the different dress, right? And sometimes it gets the opportunity to wash the clothes, right? Otherwise, I
Yes.
think the people want the students or the staffs want wash or want clean the clothes properly, right? Because they have to wear the same dress for every day,
Yeah.
right?
Exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
in
Of
the other
course.
hand, yeah, in the other hand, the different of dresses make us remind that now which is the now what is day to day. Okay, what is, suppose it is Monday or it is Tuesday, right? But in the other way, it increases the burden of our clothes on our parents, right? Suppose there would be a, if there would be only single dress, then people or the parents will have to buy only dress or maximum two dress. Okay, but if there would be two dress code, then the parents will have to buy four dress. It will increase the burden of our economy, right?
Yeah, exactly. Sometimes they are not able to afford that much. They are able to pay the fees only, but they are not able to afford this kind of, expenses. That's quite hard for them. So what do you think? It should be banned for the kids or it shouldn't?
Actually,
Because
we
this
can't.
is also a burning topic. Like, I just a few months before I heard from the news as well. The few, I think, parents and the few kids, students, they were demanding that it should be banned as well. It was also a burning topic to discuss. So what do you think? But in online also they are saying to wear a dress. So what do you think? In online it should be banned, or just, offline also it should be banned?
Yeah, actually, it shouldn't be banned, but the thing is that the school or the organization should not impose so many laws or any responsibility, okay, to the parents.
So that what do you think? Like the kids, they are 2 years old and 3 years old. They are feeling a lot more problems to just wear dress and morning, evening, and just like they are really in problem. So what do you think for them?
Yeah, maybe, but the children like wearing the dress uniform very much. Okay, just
Yes.
yeah, they feel so energetic. Now we are going to wear the school dress. Now I am going to school. Okay. But I
But
think,
what after coming back? They will cry. I will never go there.
yeah, yeah, it happens. But I think it doesn't happen with the elders or the with youth. Okay. The youth, they never want to wear uniform, right? Suppose in college, right? Suppose there is a dress code in college, but the what happens, the youth don't want to wear the uniform in the college, right? They will wear any cloth, but they don't want to wear the college dress, right?
Yes.
So what do you think, why it is happening to youth?
Yes, they don't want to wear at any cost because they want to flirt to the girls first, right? And yeah, it is obvious in college because they would like to go forward to just, look handsome, and they would like to impress to, I think, even though I think, just they would like to impress to the students and my classmates, not students, classmates, and they want to see, they want to just, show their importance, how they're beautiful, what about the clothes, and they do have this, they do have this. But in my opinion, I think it is not working that much for me because I wasn't caring about it. And in my, I think, class also, nobody's going with a dress, but I used to go with a lower and a t-shirt normal. Even though my teachers and professor, they interrupted me as well, they said like, this is a class, man. I said, I think I don't care about that, ma'am. I think it's okay with me. I'm not here to flirt anyone. So that is a
Okay.
thing. So sometimes, they do have thought in their mind to flirt the girls. It is pretty obvious. And 24 into 7, they want to look very handsome. That's the point. And might be you agree with that, right?
Yeah, I'm totally agree with that. Okay, I think it is the only reason that the college boys don't want to wear the uniform, right? They
Yes.
want to wear the uniform according to them, right? Not
Yes.
according to the college, right?
Yeah, and
But
they are not
sometimes,
thinking like they can be look handsome on. I think, they can look handsome in this kind of uniform. But it is bad. Of course, if you are very handsome from inside, you can look very handsome in any cloth.
yeah, yeah. But as we have seen that sometimes the uniform or dress code is not comfortable for the men or the woman,
Mm,
because
mm.
as for example, our uniform, okay, actually we don't feel so comfortable by wearing our boot. No one can be comfortable for long time if they are doing their duty for long time, then the boot is not, so comfortable for us, right? So in this way I would like to say that the organization should select a uniform that would be comfortable for all, right?
Yes, of course, I can understand. They should like give some kind of relaxations, and it should be appropriate for everyone.
So sir, what do you think that sometimes we feel that the uniform has the power, the man who is wearing the uniform or dress, he don't have the power, but the uniform has the power, okay? Because we know very well that after the retirement he would not have the power, okay? So what do you
Yes.
think?
Yeah, exactly. To be honest, there is only the value of your post designation. If you are
Hmm.
just prime minister right now, your value is there. But if you are going to come out from that post, there will be no value because the people, they will know you according to your post. What
Yeah,
matters? You will say like your name is Nayan Pal, but the people, they will ask, what do you do? What about your designation? What about your profession? That
yeah.
matters. The same with the uniform as well. When you will work as, I think, just policeman, only the people, they will care about you. When you will work as an ordinary person, but the
Mhm.
people, they will ask who you are.
Yeah, yeah, that's right. You're right. Actually, our uniform, on, only our uniform tells us that what kind of people they are, right? For
Mm,
example, if we take any prisoner, okay,
mm,
so they have also their uniform, okay, but
mm,
they are very different. They are seen with different eyes, right? So
mm.
only the uniform matters, and it helps us to recognize that who means who is senior and who is junior, right? Because the uniform tells us the everything, right? That what type of designation they have, right? What type
Yes.
work they are doing. So everything is told by the uniform.
Yes, and but in another case, this is also the negative side. What the people, they are doing, they are just judging to the people according to their dresses. And what if you are just going to wear a very nice suit in any party, the people, they will understand you are so rich. But if you are
Yeah.
going with a normal, I think, t-shirt and a lower, the people, they will think like, oh, such a cheap man, I think, he hasn't anything. So that is the thing, that is the bad thing. We don't, I think, we don't have the right to judge a book by its cover only.
Yeah, it is happening, but we shouldn't judge. We shouldn't judge any book by only the cover, right?
Yeah.
If someone is wearing a very good clothes, then people tell that now, wow, he is very rich man. It doesn't matter that how much wealth he has, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, it has.
Once you said like, I think you can say that he wouldn't do this. Wouldn't, we can use that. Yeah, that was your, I think, just mistakes. But accept that it was really fine and fantastic. And thank you so much for joining me and keep learning. And I'm just really happy to see your videos. Keep continue, I think, uploading videos as well. All the best. And bye bye. Take care.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye.